So in this video, I want to show off Melbourne, and to be honest, this is the first time I'm properly exploring it, and I've got my mate Marco here. I would love to go see the national parks, and Marco has recommended a really cool spot. This is my first time coming here. It's the first time I actually left the suburb that I live in. It's also Doggo's first time here as well. So he's going to be able to piss on so many new trees that he's never experienced before, which I'm very excited for.
He usually goes out to the Yangs, which I'm sure you will see at some point with Jules here.
I'm very keen to explore so much. I love nature. I love taking photos. Some of my first photos that I ever took were out in nature, so this is a really good start, I reckon, to exploring Melbourne and seeing what it has to offer.
Just to let you guys know, we've only really just started this walk. It's this beautiful over here, and then just when we rotate this way, it is a stunning little frickin' cafe that does trivia nights on Friday. We were talking the other day, right? And he goes, oh man, I haven't made a video in a while. I gotta go make a video. I'll book it in next Friday. And I looked straight at him, and like this MF, this mother, he doesn't have a job right now. So I was like, what are you doing? Like, what do you have planned up until next Friday to make a video? And he's like, you're right. You're real right. When you're right, homie. And so now we're here.
Yeah, I need to get out of the mindset that I have a full-time job now.
Yeah, you're so much more free, dude. That's the whole reason you quit.
Yeah, to film and to do this more often.
Right. And now he pays me rent. Full scammed.
Gotta watch.
I just got stabbed by a tree.
Yo, square up, guys.
Screw you, bro. Why didn't you have my back bugs? Yo, so what do you reckon is like the most beautiful natural escape you've visited? Because I know you've like lived in Canada for a while. You've traveled pretty extensively, like both of us. But you know, you've had some mad hiking experiences. What tops your list?
My number one hike with the best story. I woke up for a sunrise hike in Barcelona. I took a bus like 2 hours out into the Catalunya mountain ranges and base to summit hike to a 10th century monastery. That was definitely a great hike.
Oh, what was the monastery called?
I don't know. I'll put it there.
Yeah. Oh no, just because I think my grandmother's done the same hike.
Possibly. Jeez, good on you. Yeah.
She was younger at the time.
My second most eventful hike. A lot of hikes in Banff. Let's be real here. Banff is the best place to be. But one questionable hike: getting absolutely drunk, so sloshed the night before, and coming up with the idea of hiking up a mountain for sunrise.
Oh, you all made that decision though.
Yeah, that was a bad idea. One, that decision came at midnight. Two, it was middle of October, so it's freezing cold outside, and there are bears that are really hungry, and wolves that are also equally as hungry. So what did I do as a true adventurer, traveler, photographer, is I woke up at 5 a.m., pitch black at night, got my bag, got my camera, and hiked a mountain, completely oblivious of the dangers. Halfway through that, I have a clip of a bear print. Whoa. Very early on into the hike, but I still thought, you know what? We'll keep going. And I did it. I went all the way to the top. I took my photos at sunrise. Now, unfortunately, it was overcast, so the photos weren't great, but I did it. It was very eventful,
and
very dangerous.
Not get eaten. Did you take bear spray with you?
No, I had nothing.
Not even like a knife?
I'm Australian.
You didn't bring a knife?
I'm Australian. All I was like, nah, she'll be right.
That's Look, real dogs.
My number one hike would probably be Lake Louise, simply because of the view and the lake itself. It was just absolutely gorgeous. I've been to a lot of places, and I'd say Banff is number one right now. Doggo shot.
Well guys, it's opened up. We're in a little kind of clearing with some trees now. If you ever get lost in the wilderness, let's say you're on a track, you know you're kind of close to society, but you're on a hike and you don't know what's fucking going on. Good thing to do is actually go to the gully and follow where the water's running to. So if you actually follow that water, you're probably going to hit some kind of civilization eventually because the water's running towards it.
Yeah, the rule is that you follow the river whenever you get lost.
Yeah. And the second part of that rule, it's lesser talked about actually, is you have to be entirely naked while doing so. You must strip butt naked and follow the river, and only then will you find society and civilization. Because you must re-enter in an embarrassed state.
Yeah. Well, the way that I was thinking is that if you're naked, then you're more easily spotted, and people will be like, why is this naked person in the river? And then they'd have to go grab him.
And you know, if you happen to be of Greek, Italian descent or something like that, Lebanese even, they might think you're Bigfoot. they might. But that's why we have shavers nowadays.
That's why we have manscaped.com.
Manscaped.com. Today's sponsor of the video, guys. If you use the code LEO20, you get 0% off.
Because I'm not sponsored. It would be cool to see a sponsorship on this channel though, someday.
Whoa, guys. It's a hole. Oh, look at all that lush fern.
That is really cool.
That's really pretty. That's a shot right there. Look at this.
Right here,
guys.
with this tree as well.
Yeah.
Well, that'd be a nice shot if you were like standing over there as well.
Do you want me to go down there?
Yeah, actually, could you go stand right over there? Oh, that's a big tree. Actually, go stand over there for size reference.
Dude, it goes hollow all the way through. You come
it goes even all the way down
the middle here, and it goes all the way through up to the top. And so as we spin out, you end up with this beautiful bit of majesty. What's going to be your focus of the photo, dude?
Firstly, I have two photos.
Yeah.
One is a size comparison, so I'll have you guys stand in the middle there.
Yeah.
So you can see the scale of the tree, right?
Yeah.
But the other one, and I've seen this photo many, many times, is a shot in the middle and showcasing how like it is empty inside.
Yeah. It's getting steeper, guys.
Yeah, now it's steep.
It's getting steeper.
I have no water. Hike is not over just yet. We are going to a lookout just up ahead.
Wow.
Everyone up there has their phones out.
Sunset would be killer.
Yeah.
This would be a sunset spot for photos.
There's a lot of fog around the city, but you can definitely see the skyline from here. Considering this is the first time I'm exploring Melbourne, right?
Yeah.
This is a great spot to just see my whole new stomping grounds, which is so exciting. You can see the mountain ranges all the way to the right there. And then right in front of us is the Tasman Sea and Melbourne City. It's crazy. We live all the way over there.
All right.
Wow, this is a good spot.
Let me show you the gardens down there, man. Whoa. Now that's a shot. Look at this. Look at the line it's creating in the tree. Yeah, wait, move your head. Like, full angles.
That's cool.
That's cool. Yeah.
That means I can get it on a photo. Oh, whoa.
Yeah. Whoa. Very cool shots here with how the tree line has made itself appear. Okay, that is so wicked.
That's a wallpaper.
Very cool shot.
And you have to subscribe if you've gone this far.
I'm sorry, Leo. I know this is your video. I didn't mean
That's
to
okay, that's okay.
But speaking of chiming in, put on that belt.
Yeah. Nice. Thanks, Marco.